Uptown Swing level 1. Peter, Charleston, this was our 4th week. Basically, we just reviewed everything and made you do it better. The boot camp was this. We said kick, 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 kick. Everything taking 2 beats, 2 beats, 2 beats. Then we did doubles. We did double kick, switch, double kick, double kick, double kick. And then we practiced turning, but not too much. You start kicking, hey, hey, and then slowly start turning. Don't do this stuff. It makes turning really hard. So we practice that solo stuff a bunch. You can do turning this way, you can do turning this way. Bunch of that solo practice you can kick right in place and then slowly turn. Just get any of that practice to sort of like get some repetitions. And we tried to think of the dance in bigger chunks. So we weren't thinking of like this move, this move, this move. We thought the basic is a chunk. Rock, step, kick, step, double, kick. Single kicks are a chunk. Just a thing you can do. Double kicks, also a chunk. Now you're killing it. Keep it up. Then we just put those in action with all this stuff. We got a basic here. When I go into the kickaways, it's just double kicks. I don't have to think too hard, just double kicks. If we go around the world, then it's singles. Right back and doubles until we're done. So we sort of just try to make the world a little smaller and get a lot of practice. And then last thing, we said, everybody, chop up. Be in this position. You think you're here, but you're here. 1. Singular sensation. You're doing that Broadway kick. You gotta get rid of that. Here, pumping, kicking. And whenever we got a lot sweatier by the end, everyone got a lot better by the end. The sweatier you get, the better you get. Forget I said anything.